Hi everyone, this is Cafedog, a full-stack web platform for discovering coffee shops, writing reviews, and connecting with other coffee lovers. So I'm Yikong, and today I will walk you through the architecture and then share what we learned from our usability study and how we improve the product. And later, Jingjing, we're gonna show you the demo of the Cafedog. So the project lives in a mono repo with a backend folder and a frontend folder. In development, White runs its own dev server and process API calls to Express. So we get hot reload on the front end while the backend handles the data. In production, we run a single Express process that serves both the API and the pre-built React app, which eliminates any cost issues and keeps development simple. The front end is built with React and White. All backend communication goes through a thin API layer, which keeps components clean. We use the browser geolocation API for nearby and Google Maps autocomplete to make address input smooth and accurate. The backend is Node.js and Express, with resource-oriented routes for authentication, cafes, post social interactions uploads, and a Google Photo proxy. Authentication is a session-based passport local strategy with connect Mongo persisting sessions to the database. We also added Google OAuth so users can sign in with their Google account. So for the database, we use MongoDB with the native driver, two indexes hours calling out, a to the sphere index that powers the geo queries for the nearby feature, and a unique compound index on user ID plus cafe ID, which enforces one review per user per cafe at the database level, not just in the UI. So we integrate three external services. Cloudinary handles image uploads and generates consistent square thumbnails. Google places Power Cafe sealing and autocomplete, all fetched server side so API keys never reach the client. And finally, the no mailer sends email verification on registration. And we also have done the usability study and we fixed a lot of problems after we gain enough feedback from the user. So we basically focus on the 6 participants across 3 personas: students, social visitors, and cafe enthusiasts. Average satisfaction was 4.83 out of 5, but we identified 6 key issues. The most critical was that unauthenticated user can also submit reviews and likes. We fixed that with Oz middleware on every write route. We also added a nearby filter using geolocation, enforced one review per cafe at the database level, extended cafe pages with price, hours, and menu info, make the recommend cafe feature discoverable, and also we add email verification on sign up. So thank you for listening. And then I'm going to show you the demo of our product. Oh, Jingjing, we're going to do that.
Hello everyone, welcome to our website, Cafedog. This platform is a user-friendly directory designed for coffee lovers, remote workers, and anyone looking for the perfect spot to recharge or get things done. I will walk you through our website's key features. Uh, as we see, like at the top of the page, we can quickly pivot search using 4 main tabs, like discover, nearby, new places, top rated. I will walk you through the differences among them. For the discover, this is the default view, showing a broad mix of available cafes on our website. And for nearby, this is a new function we add it recently. For this function, if you click it, it will use your location to find the closest cafe. For me, I live in Palo Alto, so it will show all the available cafes in Palo Alto, which are near me, near my apartment. And for the new places, it highlights the latest addition to the platform. So if someone released a cafe on our website, so it will display in the front of this row. And for the top rated, it sorts the list to show community favorites like Blue Button Coffee, which currently holds a high 5 rating. And next, let's go to the smart filtering. Finding a workplace that fits your specific needs is easy with the toggle filters. Let's go to the default. And then you can say here, it will have a search bar, right? And you can type in a specific name or city like Seattle or San Francisco to narrow down the 170 cafes on our website currently in the database. So for me, I live in Palo Alto, so I will tap Palo Alto here. Let's see. So we can see all the places, all the cafes in the city of Palo Alto. And now I would like to filter the cafe with the Wi-Fi. So I click this Wi-Fi filter and it will fill the cafes that satisfy our needs. So here, and I really like quiet places. So I will click it as well. And you can see now only like 9 cafes meet our requirements. Okay, this is one function. And then the next one, you can see all the pictures here, and each cafe is presented as a visual card that gives you the vibe of a glance, right? So each cafe features a real life photo, a star rating, and a heart count here, showing how many users have left the spot. Uh, Also, you can quickly see the actual address here. And for me, um, I will dive into one cafe. Let me dive into this one. The, when you enter this website, this site, it will provide a snapshot of the cafe's most important details to help users decide if this one fit their need. Uh, so as you can see, the title, the location mapping, it will include an integrated Google Map to show the exact location and surrounding neighborhood, as you can see here. And also it will display text. So text with like Wi-Fi and cloud environments. And besides, users can see the total number of posts, the ratings, the likes, and saves. To encourage community interactions, the platform allows us to do like and also save. And also here, we can see a review system and a robust feedback section where users can leave star ratings and detailed comments. Users can reply to existing reviews, fostering a community dialogue about the life, right? So if I like this review, I can just tap here and write a reply and send it. And if I want to write a review, so I can click this one, but I have already left a review for this website, for this cafe. So not allowed to submit more reviews. Mm, I can be allowed to edit my reviews, my previous reviews, like here. So this is the new function we iterate. Okay, this is the detailed of a cafe. Let's go back. Here we can say if you want to um, review more cafes, you can click the load more and it will load 10 more cafes here. And on the right button, we can say uh, button recommend a cafe. Like if you really like a cafe, you can recommend it so more users can know this good cafe. So for me, recently, I really like a cafe named Sign. Oh, sorry. Sign. Sorry for that. Signed Frank Cafe, and the address is in Menlo Park, I think. So it's 1018 Alma Street, Menlo Park. So when you tap a place, it will autofill. So this is really convenient. I like it, so I will give 5 stars. And I can also put the URL, image URL here, but I didn't take any pictures, so I will leave it empty, and I don't have and I don't have any pictures of it, so I will not add a photo at this time. So it has fast Wi-Fi and a cloud starting as published. So the toast will say the cafe successfully recommended. So this is a new places. So let's check. Yeah, here we can find a place I recommend. Since I didn't upload any photos here, it will show a default photos. And then let's go to my personal profile. So you can say on my personal profile, they will show my name, my profile, my email, and the time I joined. Uh, Recently, I eat a cafe named San Fran Cafe, so it will show here. And my reviews, my liked reviews, and my liked coffee and saved coffee, all of them were displayed in my personal profile. So next time it's easy for me to find them and to visit those cafes I liked. So let's go back. Yeah. Um, this is the most important features on our website so far. Welcome to visit our website. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Thank you.